In this video, we'll analyze the new reveals from Chapter 223, The Strongest Armor, and Chapter 224, On the Moon Spear. This video contains spoilers. Please watch after reading the latest chapters. Denji has fused with Black Chainsaw Man into a new form, and now confronts Yoru. Based on Yoru's words in Chapter 223, this new Chainsaw Man is clearly red, not black. He keeps the rugged look of Pochita's black form, but the color is Denji's orange. Yoru ignores the red version and orders him to turn back. Her obsession with the Black Chainsaw Man is exactly like her sister Yoru claims, "You are no match for me." But Denji extends chains, attaching Yoru's devil allies to his own body. This is exactly the meat armor tactic the fake Chainsaw Man used on Denji in Chapter 202. He perfectly recreates it. The victims keep their sanity, call out names, and ask, "Can you really attack us?" Yoru tries to hit Denji's head while avoiding them, but she hits her favorite moray eel and panics. Seeing her allies disappear one by one, leaving her alone, Denji empathizes, "I know that pain," and eats the moray eel right there, erasing her allies from existence. Dodging her angry attack, Denji declares, "Return Ace's body, or I eat them all," then vanishes. Showing unprecedented rage, Yoru raises her hand to the sky. The scene shifts to space. We see the American flag standing on the lunar surface. This flag was planted by the Apollo 11 crew during the first manned landing in 1969. I checked, and while Apollo 11's flag fell during liftoff, Apollo 12 through 17, 1972 also left flags, so Yoru used one of those. Still, Denji's moves are totally villainous. It's funny losing track of who the real bad guy is. He learns from nasty attacks used against him and uses them on others. Having her allies used as shields and threatened with consumption, Yoru takes action. She turns the moon flag into a weapon, creating a spear with homing functions. She likely added tracking to prevent Denji from hiding while eating her friends. Previously, Yoru had to touch objects, but thanks to the Death Devil, she powered up and can do it remotely now. She weaponized the gun and tank devils from afar. And even turned the Statue of Liberty into a gun goddess. Now, she has successfully weaponized something in space for the first time. Distance doesn't matter anymore. If she claims it as hers, she can weaponize it. If the concept of death returns, she might forcibly weaponize killed devils from hell before they revive. When Denji dodges the homing spear, and it hits the lion devil on his leg, Yoru's anger peaks. Since death is erased, she can't say die, so she screams end. Instead, nice touch. Facing a spear that tracks him forever, Denji reacts calmly, unafraid of Yoru. Hearing it will chase him until he submits, Denji gets a brilliant idea and heads to school. Yoru thinks if she sees him yielding, she wins, so she chases the fleeing Denji. She fantasizes about using Denji as a weapon after winning, but then she falls over, her body shortened. She forgot she had legs. Next to her delusion of victory, we saw a close-up of Denji. He was eating the leg devil right then. Denji didn't go to school to run away. He pretended to join the Death Devil to binge eat the devil pieces he received, messing up the world so Yoru would give up after hearing the plan to cooperate. Denji calmly thought, when I'm popular, I'm being tricked, so he decided to act on his own. Denji seemed obsessed with panties, but I wonder what the Death Devil's original plan was. There were many devil pieces prepared, including essentials like legs, eggs. Maybe the plan was to feed Chainsaw Man. Mess up the world, and then reset it. We can't deny that possibility. Denji wants to live a normal life with Pochita. To do so, he uses the power to erase concepts. Creating a new world safe from war and death. He's fighting to get Asa back to invite her there. With death gone, Denji and Pochita can finally work together in the true sense. Since turning red, it was unclear if he still had the Black Chainsaw Man's power to erase names. But by eating the leg devil piece, legs vanished from all living creatures, so Denji can use erasure even in control. Normally, devil blood tastes nasty to him, like ditch water, but now his taste buds match Pochita. He ate the moray eel and said, "Delicious," highly rating it. Denji would eat anything to survive, so eating devils happily is no surprise. Until now, Pochita used discretion, like vomiting up snow or coffee, to make Denji remember. But now the chaotic Denji has this power, and holds many unknown devil pieces. It's unpredictable what will vanish or remain. Devils already feared Chainsaw Man, but this Denji Chainsaw Man is far worse. Fear will gather around Denji, making him stronger. That was likely the Death Devil's plan all along. Yoru attacked with the moon spear. Just as the moon sets and morning Asa comes, if he survives, he can save Asa. But what will make Yoru give up the fight? Chainsaw Man mirrors the four horsemen: control, war, famine, and death. Like in Revelation, will all devils perish, leaving only God, Chainsaw Man, and humans? Or will Denji's wish come true, creating a world where humans and devils are friends? We can't predict yet. However, Tokyo is a radioactive hell because of Yoru's nuclear punches. If death returns now, millions will die. Likely awakening the next Death Devil. Unless Denji creates a new logic, the prophecy of human extinction will come true. That prophecy is tricky. Denji and Pochita have combined. He has battle IQ, a heart, and the Black Chainsaw Man's power. A chaotic hero has emerged. He wears Yoru's allies' armor, eats them to isolate her, and eats devil pieces to mess up the world. With this plan, he fights for Asa. I never expected such a chaotic battle, where it's hard to tell who is righteous. Denji is being Denji, and it's fun. The story continues on January 7th. Also, the International Assassin's Arc anime was announced at Jump Festa 2026. It's been a while since Season 1 in 2022, so many fans are happy about the Season 2 confirmation. As you guessed, the Rez arc movie's success likely led to this. The Assassin's arc follows Rez's story. Assassins from around the world target Chainsaw Man's heart. Hirofumi Yoshida also appears. I'm looking forward to the voice cast. Let us know your predictions in the comments. The arc runs from chapter 53 to 70, 18 chapters. Season 1 covered 38 chapters and 12 episodes. "18 chapters isn't enough for a season, so it likely includes the trip in chapter 72. Like Demon Slayer's Mugen Train, they might re-edit the movie into the anime if Season 2 includes the Rez arc. It would be about 30 chapters, similar to Season 1. This method is likely. By the way, the Rez movie is nearing 10 billion yen. The Memorial Collection bonus includes a Fujimoto interview and new art. It seems to be the last one. Thank you for watching until the end. Please share your own theories in the comments. See you in the next video.